if we stay united, if we look at the successes and the progress that we have made in the last 2 years, I'm confident that if we maintain that unity, for not only for election purposes, but all through the work of service that we have taken an oath to do for our people, if we continue to do that, then we will continue to be met with success. We will continue to be met with the progress that we dream of for bagong Pilipinas at ang bagong Pilipino. Kaya napakahalaga itong ating ginugunita na araw na paglagda ng ating pagkakaisa muli. At kagaya ng ating ginawa sa nakarang halalan, ay bubuhin uli natin. Hindi naman we have to formalize it because may political cycle. So bubuhin uli natin at formalize uli natin ang unity para naman pagka humaharap tayo sa ating mga kinabukasan, malalaman natin na tayo ay sabay-sabay, na nagtutulungan, tayo ay sabay-sabay, na kabalikat sa ating layunin na pagandahin ang Pilipinas, pagandahin ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino.